Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today let's see another super easy chicken recipe, chicken roast. This has super tasty masalas with the chicken. All the ingredient list is given in the description box, please check it out. So let's jump into the recipe. First, into a blender, add in tomatoes, some onions, garlic and ginger. Now blend that really well. Now let's marinate the chicken. Add in some turmeric, red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix it up and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now into a pan, add in some oil, add some finely chopped ginger and garlic, 1 split green chili and some curry leaves. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Now add in the blended tomato and onion puree. Now you have to cook this till all the water is evaporated and it becomes dry. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. In between, add in some salt and mix it. Once it reaches this stage, add in the marinated chicken and mix it. Add in some salt, a pinch of garam masala, mix it, add half cup of water, close the pan and cook till the chicken is done. Now you can see all the water is well evaporated and the gravy is also got thick. Now you can see all the masala is well coated with each chicken pieces. So here it is, our chicken roast is ready. The masala is a star in this recipe. This is a perfect combination with naan, roti, chapatis. You can also have it with all type of rices. This recipe is super simple to make and so delicious. You should definitely try out this super tasty masala roasted chicken. So give this video a big thumbs up and share your suggestions with us on the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Please do watch more interesting and unique videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.